Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome for your PC, especially with the latest updates. Dark mode not only gives your browser a sleek look, but also helps reduce eye strain, particularly in low-light environments. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once it's open, you'll be greeted by your home page or the last page you visited. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, scroll down until you find Settings. Click on it to open the Settings page. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Once in the Settings menu, look for the Appearance section on the left sidebar. Click on it to access appearance-related options. Here, you'll find a subsection labeled Mode. In this section, you will see different options for theme settings. Simply select Dark from the available choices. This will immediately change the appearance of your Chrome browser to dark mode. And there you have it. Your Google Chrome is now set to dark mode, providing a more comfortable browsing experience during those late-night sessions or in dimly lit rooms. If you ever want to switch back to light mode, just follow the same steps and choose light instead of dark in the mode settings. Remember, enabling dark mode not only enhances your browsing experience, but also gives a modern touch to your browser interface. Enjoy exploring the web in style with dark mode enabled. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.